Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video was for a balsamic braised beef. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So in our cooker we take a medium sized frying pan, and to that we're going to add some cooking oil. Then we're going to add 800 grams of diced beef. Just give that a stir around. We'll let that cook for a couple of minutes just until it's browned through. Now that our beef's browned on all sides, we're just going to remove it from the pan. We'll pop that to the side and we'll leave it just for later on. Now to the same pan we're going to add 3 battened carrots, 1 onion that's been sliced, and 3 cloves of garlic. Just give those a stir around, let those cook for 2 or 3 minutes just until the carrots and the onions start to soften. So now that our carrots and onions are soft, we're going to add some more of our ingredients. So we have 1 diced red bell pepper. Give that a stir around, cook it for a few seconds just until it softens. Then we're going to add a pinch of dried thyme and a pinch of dried parsley. Now season it liberally with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Again, give that a stir around, just let the herbs cook for a few seconds. Now folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button for notifications of new videos. So now that everything's cooked, we're going to add some brown sugar, 1 tablespoon. We're going to add 3 tablespoonfuls of tomato puree, 250 ml of good quality beef stock, and 70 ml of balsamic vinegar. Give that a stir around. Now we'll just take all the scrapings of the beef from the bottom of the pan just to give in some more flavour. So now we return our beef back to the pan. Give that a good stir around. Make sure it's all covered with the balsamic vinegar juices. Now we're going to pop a lid on. We're going to let that cook for 60 minutes on a medium to low heat, just until the beef's softened and everything's ready to be done. So now, as you can see, our beef is nice and soft, it's been well cooked, and it's time to serve our balsamic beef. So I've just served mine on top of a cauliflower mash, but you can serve yours with boiled potatoes and vegetables, or champ potatoes, which I have a recipe for. Folks, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in my further videos.